Ever wonder how big apps like YouTube or Netflix stay online 24/7, even during crazy traffic spikes? The secret is Kubernetes, is an open-source system that automates how apps run in containers. Think of it as a smart traffic controller for your app's building blocks. You tell Kubernetes what your app should look like, how many copies it needs, what to do if one fails, and it makes it happen. Automatically. Behind the scenes, it manages containers across a cluster of machines. It balances loads, self-heals, rolls out updates without downtime. Perfect for developers who want to build fast and scale effortlessly. No more late-night server crashes. If you're serious about modern web development or cloud computing, Kubernetes is a must-know. Want a full demo or hands-on tutorial? Drop a comment below and let's dive deeper. Like, share, and follow for more 60-second tech deep dives.